Hey there. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a cover for your city buyer guide. And we're going to hop right into it right now. So Mariah Curley here. If you are new to the channel, I am a licensed and active luxury real estate agent in both San Diego and in Salt Lake City. So if that's of interest to you, consider subscribing down below. Make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you are notified every week I drop a new video. So I love doing trainings just like this. I have used Canva in my business a ton. There is a free version that you can use. There's also a paid version. If you are looking for the link, go ahead and look for it at the bottom of in the description. So let me share with you, like real quick, real easy, how that you can make your cover to your buyer's guide. Now, every real estate agent, you should have a guide for your area that you are, that's specific for you. Number one, if you go into the homepage here and you're starting your buyer's guide, you can simply type in here over on the right-hand side. If you type in or click the custom size, if you do 8.5 by 11, so you can do 8.5 by 11, and actually it's right down there. I already have it ready to go. So 8.5 by 11 inches, it will give you a brand new window that you can start with. To get you going. Also, you can just click this where it says docs, and that will, get you going as well. So we're going to create something that looks very similar to this right here, and we'll do it right here on this blank document. So whatever city that you are in, you are going to want to upload an image or something that Canva has over here on the left-hand side under photos. There are a ton of stock images that are already ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the city that I am in, and I am in Salt Lake, and you can see I've already looked at that before, so it's populated. And below here, you are going to see there are multiple images of Salt Lake City. So I can scroll through, and whichever one I decide to click on, I can try it. I can click on it. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'll delete that one. But I can really just look through here to see which one I think would be the best image to place on here to use. So let's go back up to the beginning, and I'm going to use one of these other ones that I've used before. So I'm going to click on this first one here. Now this one, if it has a crown and it says pro, this is a paid one, but there are lots of images that are not paid. Once I click on the image, if I right click it, you will set image to the background, and it uses the entire thing. The next thing on your buyer's guide, you want to have a picture of you. So you're going to want to upload that picture. I've got several pictures saved over here on the left-hand side. I've got ones for my other YouTube videos, but if I click on, got one down here below as well. I'm going to click on that, bring it over. I only need it once. Here's my picture. I want to remove this background. So if I'm going to remove the background, I'm going to go up to Edit Image. I'm going to go to BG Remover. I'm going to remove that background. It'll take just a moment. And once that background is removed, I can move that picture anywhere I want. I can scale it. I can crop it. I'm going to probably crop it like this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'll put myself right here in the corner. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I want to add some text. So I'm going to add my text here. I'm going to add a subheading. And just like I had on this other one, do you see your free guide to, and then living in Salt Lake City? I used two different fonts. I think that looks nice if you use a couple different fonts. That first font that I used was Brittany. And then the second font I used was Libre Bakerville. So I'm going to do the same thing over here, and we'll put your free guide. Let's see, is that what we had? Your free guide to, and then we can put living in Salt Lake City after. And I'm going to highlight this. I want to add I want to use a different font, and I'm liking that Brittany that I had used before. Let me go up here and type that in. Okay, there it is. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger, and I'm going to position it right in the middle. And I'm also going to change the color to white. So I've got it like that so far. And then right down below, I'm also going to add another subheading, and I'm going to put living in Salt Lake City. And if I don't, let's see, make that a little bit bigger. And I'm going to change that font again too. So I'm going to highlight it, come over here to fonts, and I'll type in, okay, Libre Bakerville. And if I want, I can, make it a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to position it right there in the middle. If for some reason I'm like, I can't see that white very well, I could change it to a different color. I could make it black. I could use my branding colors for it. If I want to stay with the white, I can use the white, but something else I can do here is change the effects. And on the effects, I can use one of these I can use shadow, lift, and I can use any of these other effects here. Maybe that lift might make me be able to, lifts it off the page a little bit better so you can see it. And again, if I want, I can change this so it looks like that. And then once I'm ready, once I think, hey, you know what, this looks fine, I can go ahead and I can download it right here below on the right hand side under share. I'm going to click download, and then I can download it and I can upload that anywhere else that is needed to be for it. So hopefully you're able to use this. And if you are going to be making a buyer's guide for your city, this is a perfect cover for it. Later on, I will be making a video showing you exactly what you should have in your buyer's guide and how Canva can really help you make that too. Again, if you are thinking about trying Canva out, Canva, you can do a 30-day free trial, which is awesome. That is what I did. And after 30 days, I was hooked. And I honestly use Canva in my business every single day. So if you are looking to build and scale your business the modern way, and really through the power of social media, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. And I love helping and building people's business, real estate agents' business, just like yours.